How to play Powerwash Simulator with friends. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Powerwash Simulator with your friends, whether you're on PC, console, or using crossplay. It's super easy and fun, so let's get started. Step 1. Choose the wired mode. First, launch Powerwash Simulator and go to the play menu. If you want to play the main story together, choose career mode. But remember, only the host's progress is saved. If you ever want to make progress or just want to have fun on any map, choose free play or special jobs. This allow up to 6 players, and everyone saves their money and progress. Step 2. Host a multiplayer game. Now, select host co-op game. Pick the mode you want and the map if you're in a free play. Once inside the lobby, pause the game and click invite friends. You can invite them directly from your Steam, Xbox or PlayStation friend list. Step 3. Crossplay setup. If you're playing with friends on different platforms, don't worry. Powerwash Simulator supports crossplay between PC, Xbox, PlayStation and Nintendo Switch. Just make sure you're all logged into a Square Enix account and enable crossplay in the game settings under multiplayer. Tips for a smooth game. Use voice chat to coordinate your cleaning, it's way more fun. And remember, career mode is great for helping one friend's progress, while free play is perfect for relaxing with the whole crew. You can replay any job together, and you even keep the cash you earn. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Powerwash Simulator with friends. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.